Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is Practice of Brahmacharya, and friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video, so if you come sequence wise 1 2 3 4 you'll understand it in a better way. From saying 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, 83 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay, and friends, if you have any doubt you can directly ask me in the comment section, because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay, and friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharya 1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay, it's ABHIMANYUBHABHTACHARJEE1906. And friend, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you, do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon, so whenever I update a new video you'll get a notification, friends. Okay, so friends, in our last video I've covered the topic called when the wife becomes the mother. Okay, and friends, in our today's video I'm going to cover the topic called living a life of a spiritual partnership, this video, friends. Okay, so friends, let us see what Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, says Manu, the first born child is born of dharma and the rest of karma of lust. So here Swami Sivananda is telling, the Lord Manu says the first born child is born of dharma and other rest of the child is born of kama or lust, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. The sexual act for mere pleasure is not justifiable. So Swami Sivananda is telling sexual act for the mere pleasure is not justifiable. Thirsty aspirant who are trending the path of self-realization, who are householders above 40 years of age, should give up contact with their partner in the life. So Swami Sivananda is telling the person who are trending in the path of self realization and who are about the age of 40, they should give up the contact with their partners in life, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic, because a sexual contact receives all bad ideas and gives them a new lease of life. So yes, Swami Sivananda is telling sexual contact develop a bad idea and it give a new lease in the life, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Marriage should now be considered a God ordained holy alliance of two souls for the complete divination of their nature, for realizing the goal of God realization through a well ordered dharmic grihastra life. So here Swami Sivananda is telling that marriage should be considered as a God ordained holy alliance between two people for the self realization in the way of dharmic grihastha life, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. The husband and the wife should from now observe perfect physical brahmacharya. So yes, Swami Sivananda is telling the husband and the wife should observe a perfect physical brahmacharya. So it is very important for husband and wife is to follow the physical brahmacharya. If they want rapid spiritual progress and self realization in this very birth. So Swami Sivananda is telling that if husband and wife want the self realization in this birth, it is very important for them is to follow the practice of brahmacharya. There are no halfway measure in the spiritual path. So yes, Swami Sivananda is telling that there are no halfway measure in the spiritual path. An aspirant complains, as I continue meditation, layers after layers of impurity are rising from the subconscious mind. So here Swami Sivananda is telling generally aspirant complain that whenever they are practicing the meditation, their negative things keep on rising from the subconscious mind, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, sometimes they are so strong and formidable that I am bewildered as how to check them. So Swami Sivananda, aspirants are telling sometimes they are so strong, the negative vibration when they are meditating, they don't understand how to check them. So let us see what Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, I am not perfectly established in truth and brahmacharya. So here that aspirant is telling that I am not completely established in the truth and the brahmacharya. The old habit of speaking lies and lust are still lurking in me. So Swami Sivananda is telling the old habit of uh, speaking lies and the lust are still lurking on me. Lust is troubling me vigorously. So Swami Sivananda is telling lust is completely troubling me vigorously. The very idea of a woman agitated my mind. So Swami Sivananda is telling the idea of a woman always keep on agitating my mind. My mind is so sensitive that I am not able to hear or think of them. So Swami Sivananda is telling that the aspirant is telling that my mind is so sensitive that I am not able to hear any think of them, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. As soon as the thought comes in mind, the meditation and also the peace of the whole day is spoiled. So Swami Svananda is telling as soon as the thought come of the meditation of the mind, the peace of the whole day is spoiled. I advise my mind, coax it. So Swami Svananda is telling I advise my mind to coax it, frighten it, but it is of no avail. My mind revolts. So Swami Swan, that aspirant is telling I try to cope my mind, frighten my mind, but my mind always revolts. I do not know how to control this passion. So he's asking, so I do not know how to control this passion. Irritability, egoism, anger, greed, hatred, attachment, etc. So these are the all negative feeling that aspirant is telling that hatred, attachment, egoism, anger, greed, I don't know how to control are still lurking me. So he's asking to Swami Sivanandaji, this all negative things are still lurking me. As far as I have analyzed the mind, lust is my chief enemy, and it has it lust is my chief enemy, and it is a very strong one too. So he's telling to Swami Sivananda, as I analyze my mind, lust is my very strong enemy, and it is very strong too. I request you to be kind enough to advise me as to how to get rid of the same. So Swami Sivananda is telling that he is requesting Swami Sivananda that you advise me how to be firm and same in this practice, friends. Okay, so this that aspirant is asking to Swami Sivananda. So, friends, let us see what Swami Svananda is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, the mind will again and again try to do some mischief inwardly. So, here Swami Svananda is telling the mind is again and again trying to do some mischief, that is inwardly. It is very diplomatic. It is very difficult to find out its way and secret underground operation. So Swami Svananda is telling it is very diplomatic and it is very difficult to find out the way and the secret underground operations. It demands a suitable intellect and carefully repeated introspection and vigilant watch. Vigilant watch. So Swami Svananda is telling it requires a careful repeated introspection and the vigilant watch. Whatever the mental image of a woman comes crops up in your mind with the evil thoughts. So Swami Sivananda is telling whatever the mental image in the mind crops up with the evil thought. Repeat mentally Om Shri Durga Devi Nama. So Swami Sivananda is telling that we should repeat mentally Om Shri Durga Devi Namaha and do mental prostration. And it is very important, friends, that we do mental prostration, that this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Gradually old devil will die. So Swami Sivananda is telling that gradually old devil is going to die. Whenever you see any woman entertain this bhava and repeatedly repeat this mentally. So Swami Sivananda is telling whenever we see woman enter this bhava and we should repeat it mentally. Are you a householder above 40 years of age? So Swami Swananda is asking a question that are you a householder above the 40 years of age? Then you must become a perfect brahmachari now. So Swami Swananda is telling that it is the time to become a perfect brahmachari now. Your wife also must observe fast on Ekadashi. So Swami Sivananda is telling it is very important that your wife should follow the fast on Ekadashi. Do not say, now Swamiji, what can I do? So here Swami Sivananda is telling, now do not say, Swamiji, what can I do? I am a householder. This is a lame excuse. So Swami Sivananda is telling that I am a householder. This is a very big and this is a very lame excuse, friends. Okay. How long do you want to remain as a passionate householder? Is it till the end of the life? So Swami Swananda is telling that how long you want to be a passionate householder? Is it up to the end of your life? Is there not a nobler mission in life than eating, sleeping, and procreating? So Swami Swananda is asking a question. Is there no noble mission in your life apart from eating, sleeping, and procreating? Do you not want to enjoy internal bliss of the self? So Swami Sivananda is telling, do not want to enjoy the internal bliss of the self? You have tasted enough of the mundane pleasure. So Swami Sivananda is telling that you have tasted enough of the mundane pleasure. You have passed the stage of the householder. So Swami Sivananda is telling you have already passed the stage of the householder. I can excuse you if you are a young man, but not now. So Swami Sivananda is telling I can easily excuse you if you were a young man, but not now. At this point of time, I cannot excuse you. Now get ready for the stage of Vana, Prastha and mental sannyasa while remaining in the world. So Swami Sivananda is telling now get ready of the Vana Prastha, that is mental celibacy by remaining in this world. Color your heart first. This will be a noble life indeed. So Swami Sivananda is telling that color your heart first and this is going to be a noble life in indeed. Prepare yourself, discipline the mind. So Swami Sivananda is telling prepare yourself and discipline the mind. Real sannyasa is mental, not attachment. So Swami Sivananda is telling real sannyasa is mental but not attachment. Real sannyasa is destruction of vasana. So Swami Sivananda is telling real sannyasa is destruction of the vasana. I-ness, mindness, selfishness and moha for children, body, wife and property. So Swami Sivananda is telling I-ness, mindness is the moha, that is attachment of children, body, wife and even property. You need not retire into the Himalayan caves, attain the above state of mind. So Swami Sivananda is telling it is not important to enter the Himalayan caves, but it is important to attain the above state of the mind, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Live in the world with happy and children amidst peace and plenty. So Swami Sivananda is telling live in this world with happy, peace and plenty. Be in the world but be out of the world. So Swami Sivananda is telling be in the world but be out of the world. Give up worldliness. This is real sannyasa. So Swami Sivananda is telling give up worldliness and this is the real sannyasa. Friends, okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. This is what I really want. Then you will become a king of kings. So Swami Swananda is telling, if this is what you really want, then you are going to be king of king, friends. Okay, so this Swami Swananda is telling to us in this topic. I am shouting at the top of my voice like this for many years. So Swami Swananda is telling that I am shouting from my voice like this for many years, but only a very few person allow follow my teaching. So Swami Sivananda is telling there are only very few person who follow my teaching. A good wife, a worthly jewel, is the materialization of the Lord infinite grace for one who trends the pravritti marga. So Swami Sivananda is telling a good wife and the Lord's infinity grace is only the thing those who trend in the very wise marga and the parvitri marga, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Harmony in every walk of life is a rare gift of the Lord to a couple. So Swami Sivananda is telling harmony is in every walk is the very in the life is a very rare gift to the couple, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Each partner should be to the other a true companion in every sense of the term. So Swami Swananda is telling each partner should be a companion to each other in each and every sense of term, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. Grihastha ashrama is the safe rung in the ladder of evolution of to Godhead. So Swami Sivananda is telling Grihastha ashram is the safe rung in the ladder to evolution of the Godhead. Follow the spiritual law and enjoy infinite bliss. So Swami Swananda is telling, follow the spiritual law and enjoy the infinite bliss. The union can be established on the spiritual basis. So yes, Swami Swananda is telling that union can be established on the spiritual basis. Both of you should aspire to realize common goal of life, God realization. So Swami Sivananda is telling both of you, husband and wife, should have a common realization, that is God realization in life, that who am I. When the couple who live around you vie with one another in materialism and in their individual capacity to drag each other down. So Swami Sivananda is telling, when each and every couple live together in materialism and the individual capacity, they keep on dragging each and every couple down in their life. Both of you should complete with each other in advancing rapidly in spiritual sadhana. So Swami Sivananda is telling both of you should complete each other in dragging, in advancing in the spiritual sadhana, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic. What a novel competition! What a blessing it is to have such a competitor as far as the life partner. So Swami Sivananda is telling that what a blessing, and what and it is such a very good competitor to such have a such a very good life partner in life, friends. Okay, so this Swami Sivananda is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay, so friends, this brings to end of our today's video. In our today's video, I have covered the topic called living a life of spiritual partnership. Okay, so friends, in our next video, I am going to cover the topic called instruction for householders, friends. This topic, friends. Okay, so friends, this topic came to an end. I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay, and I will be meeting you in the next video.